Hi guys, my name is AJAY Bangera. I am from first year CSD. Startup company is Flyger and Spark Tech Innovation. Present name is Private Jet. Product proposed name is Aerial Odyssey. Empathy stage mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customer during the empathy activity. Jet must come when called. Jet must always work on loco pilot mode. Jet must have time traveling features. Define stage based on the empathy stage and considering the feelings and requirements of the customers. Many new features are added to the existing products. Existing product name Private Jet, futuristic product name Aerial Odyssey. Idiot stage. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Autonomous flight system, fully autonomous or highly automated flight control system to reduce pilot workload and enhance safety. AI and machine learning, integrated AI for predictive maintenance, optimizing flight paths, and providing personalized passenger services. Advanced connectivity, high-speed global internet, seamless communication systems, and smart cabin environment control via voice or gestures. Prototype stage. The real working model has to be manufactured. Due to the time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. So in this diagram, you can see the warp drive, which opens the wormhole for time traveling. Testing stage. I request the viewers to this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.